I want to go ahead and just take a few minutes and show you how you can collect files. This is a step that you'll always want to take when you've completed working on a project. Let's take a look at how this works in After Effects. Once you're done building your file, you're going to want to export it and be able to show it to other people. Before we get to exporting, let's first talk about collecting files. It's very common when you're working in After Effects that you may be gathering files that you've used in your project from various areas or locations on your computer. If this is the case, you probably are going to want to collect all of your files into one location. And After Effects will help you do this instead of having you try to figure it out and do it manually. The reason that you might want to collect all the files for output is because if you want to move this file to another computer, you want to make sure that you have all the dependent files. Remember, when we work in After Effects, nothing is embedded into the After Effects application. After Effects just references these files on our computer, and they are needed in order for After Effects to be able to open and to be able to work correctly. So when it comes time to share your file with someone else or just move it onto another computer, you want to make sure that you have all of the assets. In order to make sure that this is the case, you'll want to go ahead and go to File, Dependencies, Collect Files. The Collect File command is going to gather copies of all of the files that are used in your project or in the composition, and they're going to put them all in a single location. This is always a good thing to do before rendering or archiving a project so that you can ensure that all of the files that you'll need to work on this project are in the same location. You can see that After Effects is prompting me to save my project before I do this, so I'll click Save, and then it's going to go ahead and open the Collect Files dialog box. We have a couple options here. First of all, we can choose to collect all of the files. This would be all of the footage files, including any unused footage, and also proxies. Proxy files are low-resolution copies of your original files. They are used so that you can edit large videos without the lag and computational strain. You can choose to collect source files for all comps. So if you only want to collect data that was used in your comps, then you're going to go ahead and use this option. You can see I have some options for selected comps. Since I don't have anything selected, that is grayed out. Or for queued comps, this would be if we had queued files previously in the render queue, we could choose those, but those options don't apply for us. And then we could just say no, and it would just collect everything for the project. I'm going to click all, and I will choose to reveal the collected projects in my Finder when it's done. It'll give us a little summary of what's going to be collected, and I'm going to go ahead and click Collect. After Effects is going to ask me where I want to save the file. I'll just make a folder called Collected Jumbrel, and I'll hit Save. It's going to go ahead and do its thing. And if we look at the folder that was created, you can see that I end up with a couple of different elements. First of all, After Effects is going to supply you with a report. This is just going to be a summary of what was collected. You'll end up with a native After Effects file, and you'll end up with all of the footage. The footage is going to be organized in the way that you organize your project window. So you can see I have a sound folder that contains all of the sounds, and then I have my Jumbrel layers, which contains my native Illustrator file, which was what I originally used to import in to my project. You'll want to do this for just about every project you work on, just to ensure that you have all of the media in one place. And then if you ever have to move this to another location or share it with someone else, you only need to give them this particular folder, and that will contain all of the elements that are part of your project.